It's incredible for us to see when parents send pictures and videos of their kids, singing our songs. We've also had instances of kids painting their walls with Kutuki and Minku. We had recently a kid who put Kutu on his birthday cake. It was literally
Wow.
icing on the cake for us.
Hey folks, welcome to First Check Portfolio Shorts. My name is Noah Martins, and this is a series where we speak to founders of our portfolio companies so that you get to know their team, understand what they're building, and the problem they're trying to solve. If you like the content that we've been putting out, do like, share, and subscribe so that we can reach more founders and startup enthusiasts like you. Today's very special guest is Bharat Bevanhalli, co-founder of Kutuki. Kutuki is India's first early learning platform tailor-made for Indian preschoolers. And their characters, Kutu, Ki, and Minku the elephant, are created to be children's learning companions. Kutuki has an awesome range of learning resources, including hundreds of engaging, high-quality animated children's storybooks, rhymes, and interactive activities that are based on a world-class preschool curriculum to ensure your child's foundational skills grow stronger every day. They pride themselves in creating contextual content that Indian children and families can connect with, moving away from characters with blonde hair, blue eyes, American accents, and unfamiliar references. I had a really great conversation with Bharat, and it is truly cool to see Kutuki's stellar rate of growth while also creating characters that Indian kids can love and relate with that will be a foundational part of their childhood. So do stick around till the end of the episode to learn more. Bharat, thank you so much for doing this. It is awesome to talk to you today.
Great to be here, Noah.
All right. So let's start by talking about the problem that you're trying to solve.
India has the largest population of preschoolers in the world, but we don't have a Peppa Pig, a Dora, a Doraemon, a Paw Patrol to call our own. That's really the gap that there's a huge white space in terms of original Indian IP catering to Indian kids, and that's where we come in. In addition to the IP, a big focus for us is how can we get preschoolers to learn in a fun, engaging way. And at the core of what we do is our content engine, which is distributed through our own app. And the primary goal for us is to solve three issues that we've seen, right? A lack of context in terms of not having representative characters, not having representative materials when it comes to a learning perspective. Solving a question of structure in terms of how can we enable preschoolers to be grade one ready, or just learn at their own pace, build foundational skills in terms of literacy, numeracy, life skills, and even early STEM for that matter. And the third thing is in terms of content itself, a lot of what we've been seeing coming out of India is mostly rehashed versions of nursery rhymes, your Baba Black Sheep, Wheels on the Bus, etc. And so thinking about it with a fresh lens, coming up with a fresh perspective on what IP should look like for Indian kids with characters that look, talk, act like Indian kids do in cultural settings that are familiar to them. So that really is the crux of what we're building at Kutuki.
That's awesome. So tell me a little bit more specifically about what your platform looks like and how a child may be able to interact with it.
Got it. At the heart of what we do is our song and story based curriculum, which revolves around three characters: a little boy Kutu, his sister Ki, and their elephant friend Minku the Hathi. Through the medium of these three characters, what we've been able to do is create a very fun, engaging, and relatable experience for kids all across India, right? And when we started out, it was predominantly, in Bangalore and a few other tier one cities, networks that were closest to us. But today we have over 60% of our users coming from outside the top six cities. And another really big sort of learning for us, right, was that while English learning is really critical, and we've seen this across income spectrums, across demographics, having content in your mother tongue for a child is so important. It makes it very relatable, when you have characters that are speaking in Hindi, that are speaking in Kannada, Tamil, Malayalam. We have 6 languages today. We are expanding to about 8 by the end of the year. And the goal is to have our content available in every major language by the end of next year. Uh, what this has done is, one, like I said, it creates that relatability. But in addition to the songs and stories, we also have a lot of interactive stuff that happens on the app, right, through games, activities. And we also have introduced a synchronous learning format, which builds on the same content and curriculum, but with the assistance of a teacher. So net, what we're building is essentially a learning platform on the basis of really strong IP. And in 4 to 5 years' time, we want to be the preschooler brand when it comes to anything early learning in India.
That's very exciting. But are you seeing any love for these characters yet? Are you seeing children relating with Kutu and Ki?
Absolutely. So one of the key things for us is to see, how children engage with our content even outside of the app, right? So it's incredible for us to see when parents send pictures and videos of their kids, singing our songs. We've also had instances of kids painting their walls with Kutuki and Minku. We had recently a kid who put Kutu on his birthday cake. It was literally
Wow.
icing on the cake for us.
That's genuinely cool because I still remember the characters that I related with as a child, and I remember them so well, and I have conversations with my friends sometimes about, oh, you remember Thomas the Train and Miffy and all of those. So it's very cool. I mean, I imagine it's very cool to have created something that children love in that way and relate with in that way. So kudos to you and your team for that.
Thanks, Noah. It's still, we're just getting started.
Right. But tell me what your progress has been so far. How many children are using the platform right now? And what does the traction look like?
So recently crossed about 2 million downloads on
Insane.
Android, and that's the main platform for us. While we're also available on iOS, given that India is such an Android-focused country, that's been the focus for us as well, right? Both in terms of what the product itself looks like and how our user base has grown, right? It's been a tremendous learning journey for us since we launched. Obviously, the last 18-20 months have been really accelerated growth. Our MAU base has grown almost 50x from Jan 2020. In terms of minutes consumed on the app, we were at about 200,000 minutes in Jan 2020. In October, we've crossed about 10 million minutes consumed on the app.
Wow.
So it's been incredible to see how that growth has panned out. But adding more content in more languages, addressing more learning areas, and more importantly, being able to create a solution where we are able to really personalize the experience for every child, based on their interest sets, based on where they are with their developmental milestones. That really is going to be the focus for us in the next couple of years.
Right. All right. So tell me how you and your co-founder Sneha met, and also tell me why people should want to be a part of your journey and what you're building.
So Sneha and I actually started Kutuki in this room. We are also, we've been married now for 8+ years, known each other for over a decade. And this room is essentially our home studio where we wrote our first songs and stories and recorded them. Alongside our professional journeys, we've been musicians since we were kids, right? And been involved in the creative arts in some way or the other from the time we were kids. Sneha also has a background in education. She's worked with Teach for India, and through our experience teaching music to kids, performing and creating content, right? That gave us a lot of insight into how there is so much of a gap when it comes to content, and that really was the starting point for us.
Wow, that's awesome. Thanks, Bharat, for taking the time to talk to me today. It's genuinely cool to see what you're building and to see this rapid rate of growth. And I'm very excited for the day where I can watch a Kutuki movie and every kid I know is familiar with the characters, and I'm pretty sure we'll see that day soon enough.
Yeah, I mean that's absolutely the ambition for us, right? So if every child knows who Kutuki and Minku are, if we're able to create that familiarity, pan India first, but given that children's IP can be universal as well. We've also got users from, obviously the diaspora, but we're also getting users from outside of the country organically. So there could potentially be an opportunity to really be that next big kids IP brand as well, right? So that's essentially what we're building towards.
That's awesome. Thanks, Bharat. Thank you so much for doing this.